Welcome to Tag to Tech. Today, we're diving deep into Honor Magic8 Pro Air. Hit that like button and let's get started. The upcoming Honor Magic8 Pro Air is set to be unveiled on January 19, and the teaser campaign for the slim and light device is in full effect. The latest edition gives us detailed camera specs. Honor revealed that its upcoming flagship will feature a 50-megapixel main cam armed with a 1.13-inch sensor. It will be paired with a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. Tipster UniverseIce chimed in with more details, claiming the main cam will feature an f.1.6 aperture and 23mm equivalent focal length. The periscope telephoto will apparently get an f.2.6 aperture and 74mm equivalent range. The module will also offer 3.2x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. The third module on the back of the Magic8 Pro Air will apparently be a 50-megapixel ultra-wide featuring an f.2.2 aperture and 16mm equivalent focal length. According to previous rumors, Magic8 Pro Air will feature a 6.3-inch AMOLED display and MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 chipset paired with up to 1 terabyte of storage.